today's test video, I will share with you about flashcards. So flashcard is a cards containing a small amount of information that are easily to carry and held up for us to see. They are very beneficial for everyone. So later in this video, I will share with you on how to introduce these flashcards to our children as well as their benefits. So stay tuned. We can start to introduce this flashcard to our children as early as 2 years old. So how to do it? We can do it individually according to their themes. For example, colors, shapes, or alphabets. Or we can do it like how I do it. I will combine them together. For example, right now we have square shape. So we will show to our children this is square. And then what color is this square? This square is gray color. Gray color. Then gray start with letter G. So this is G. Big letter G and small letter G. So that's how I will introduce them to the children. So next, I will share with you on their benefits. With this flashcard, it will strengthen children memorization and enhance visual memory so that they can learn new objects all around the world. Secondly, it will help children to make association among us, to communicate and learn new language. Lastly, it will help to link creation in the brain so that they can start to stimulate identification of an object. So that's all from me, and thank you for watching.